Let's create the link services now. Click on link service and click on new, and from here you can see there are multiple data stores. Alright, but since our data is in files and folder structures, and you can see this is the file and folder structure, so we will go with file system and let's name it file location, and connect via integration runtime will be on-prem to Azure Integration Runtime. Okay, now this is our location where our file is, so we will give it as this. So just copy this path and paste it in here. Now username and password. Now this username and password is your computer's original username and password. So my username is now let's test connection. It has given us an error, and what it is, it says that access to the location is not allowed. So now let's fix it. So go to the file explorer and click on C drive, and from here program files, and then Microsoft Integration Runtime 5.0, and then shared. Okay, and then copy this path. Now click on Windows and open PowerShell and run as administrator, and now here write cd space strings, and in between strings paste, and now enter. Here write dot slash dmg cmd space dash disable local folder path and validation. And here you cannot make any mistake, and as you can see the first letter of each word is capital, so keep it as it is. Enter. All right, now minimize it and make sure that integration runtime is running. Okay, it's saying self-hosted node is connecting to the cloud service, so let's wait for it to connect, and then we will try again. Once it is connected, minimize it and test connection again. Now you can see the connection is successful. Click on create. Now that we have successfully created the link service 2, in the next part we will build the pipeline.